Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have An Enemy Battler of a Fallen Elite Knight by Onso11, Vampires Dawn 3: The Crimson Realm, an RPG where you turn people into vampires and add them to your party, a game full of blood, tragic moments, and dark mysterious atmosphere. Next we have Thousands of Icons by Miyontomaru Magnuson, icons of different patterns, runes, periodic elements, and shields. Around 40 tracks of JRPG retro music by Yufulka and Dejika. Next we have 2 new plugins for MZ, a plugin by Tombi that allows us to adjust the smoothing effect on our font, giving us the option to make our text look sharper, and another plugin by Noon that expands our control on what we show on the status scene, a project template for MV with the dance mechanic and minigame made by Shadow Dragon, 16-bit battle backgrounds by Tyler Warren and Dejika, and lastly a tileset of a deep cave by Sazadi Art. That's all for today. Let's dance off to game making now.